Hey, welcome. So I have 300 seconds of pure street shots for you today. But before we get started, I just want to set the scene for you. So a couple of weeks ago, I sprained my ankle really badly and I haven't been able to walk on my foot. But I'm slowly regaining mobility, and I went downtown the other day with my camera, the Fuji X100V, and I ended up doing a completely impromptu photo walk session. And I think the photos that came out of it has been some of the best that I've ever done, maybe this entire year. So I hope you really enjoyed this video.